Hi, this video is to show you how to navigate the settings on the project management module. So you go to project management, click on it. Okay, you click on settings. You see a drop down. You click right on the drop down. You see the three things there to set. That's project stage. When you click on project stage, it will take you to this um, interface. You're seeing the stage color description. So this is where you set all those the stage of the project. So if I want to add anything else, I can just click on add new. Right here, I can add. Okay, I can add delivered. Yeah, I can always choose the color I want. So I think blue is okay. Let me use blue. Great. So when you're done that, okay. So this is just add to the description. So I've added this particular stage right now. I've set it up right. So that's it on it. So we can go to the second one, which is progress status. That's the project status. Okay. So you can as well add anything you want. Feel free to add anything you want there. So um I don't add anything here. So I go to duration step. Of course, you can always add if you have something to add, just put it on there. Development. So there is no yearly here, so I'm going to just add the year duration step. I can just yearly, and yeah, of course, the yearly duration. So I'm done setting up this. So automatically it has created. I've set it up. So that's how to set your project management stage, the status, and then the duration step. Thank you.